Legal information is drafted as blocks of text, but it doesn't have to be that way. Think about it. The human brain is capable of processing an image in as little as 13 milliseconds. And in comparison, for every minute of reading, the average reading speed for most adults is 200 to 250 words, which is so bad at reading when we compare to our brain's ability to process visual information. And the legal world is no exception. This is why we have created for you the Legal Information Design Canva, which will help you think visually about legal information, contracts, and other policies. Let me walk you through this LID Canva, but before, I would like to thank you for being here and briefly present myself. I'm Tessa Manuello, founder and CEO of Legal Creatives and the creator of the LID Canva, which is being available for you now in the Mirrorverse. Visual thinking applied to legal information and to contracts has so many advantages. It's going to help legal information make it so easier and reader to understand, to process, and so much more engaging. It will increase information intake, retention, compliance, memorization, speed up negotiation, reduce misunderstanding, and increase clarity. In other words, visual thinking applied to law increase the effectiveness of legal information and communication. This is why this LID Canva is here. It's here to guide you through the process of thinking visually about legal information. Give it a try. I guarantee that your way of thinking about contract drafting and legal information design is never gonna be the same. This Canva is really designed for professionals who work in law and who want to apply visual thinking to their work. But it's also a great tool for users of legal documents to prompt their legal advisors to think more visually about the law, contracts, legal information, and policies. So let me walk you through the Legal Information Canva, which is divided in different blocks. Starting with the target audience. Who are you designing for? Who are you contract users? Who is this policy intended to? And in which context your users are? Are they on the rush? Are they stressed? Are they angry? Or are they excited because they're about to sign a new deal? You need to know who are your users and in which context they are. But then you need to understand what are the expected behaviors. What do you expect your contract users to do as per the contract? What do you expect your employees in the organization to do as per the HR policy? And you want to know exactly what you expect people to do so you get this very clear before you start drafting the document. What are the ideal outcomes you want to get out of this document? What is your customer willing to achieve? What are the goals? What are the objectives? And once you do this, this is when you can start listing all of the key legal information pieces that you need to include in your document, and this is happening right here in the middle. Once you've done this, you can think about the tone of voice, the visual features you want to use, of course the branding as well, and the values of the organization to make sure your document is going to match the branding and reflect the values of your organization. Always taking into account what are the pain points of your users that you would need to do with users interviews, and you will put some of the major insights right there. And the user test, in the end, is your document really eliminating those pain points for your users? And is it actually making the overall experience of the document better? Is it more engaging? Can they retain information, memorize it, comply with it? This is why the LID Canva is here. It's here to help you make sure you're on the right track whenever you design a legal document. Give it a try, and I have no doubt it's going to change forever the way you think about legal information. Thanks so much for being here, and if you need more assistance, join us in the Miro group. We have a Miro group for legal professionals and innovators. You're welcome, whether you're a lawyer or a non-lawyer. We are so excited to welcome you into the group, so join us there. Thanks so much, and let's think visually about legal information starting today.